Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to remove and replace the MAP sensor, Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor. This video should apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the MAP sensor is located just under the engine cover. So first thing to do is to remove the cover itself. Now you can just pull it straight up. It will be held by a couple of clips. I believe one here, and one on the other side. So just kind of pull it straight up on each of the sides, right? Okay, that should do it. Okay, so actually there will be 4 pins, one here, one here, one here, and one here, and they will be inserted in these holes on the cover, right? So just pull it straight up. And the MAP sensor is easy accessible. It's right here on top of the engine. So first thing you want to do, you want to disconnect it, right? So there is this connector. To disconnect it, you just press it here on the top onto this black tab and pull it out. Now from my experience, actually these connectors usually have like a red safety clips inside, but somebody probably removed this one in the past. So if you have a red safety tab, you just want to push it out and then disconnect everything, right? So but it's easy to do, just push and pull out. Okay, now to remove the sensor, you just want to turn it to this side, to this position, and then pull it straight up. You might have to use a bit of force. Okay, but that's it. Okay, and once you have the new sensor, okay, here you can even see the part number on it. So it's 05149174AB. And once you have the new sensor, you will just plug it in, right, and turn it to this side, and you will plug in the connector, and that's everything you have to do. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.